Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to hide photos on Instagram without deleting them. So let's begin. So as you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So now to hide the photos, what we can do, we can simply click on any of these pictures here, and we can also hide the reels in the same way. So we can simply pick a picture here. So I'm going to select this one, and now I would click on these three dots that we have along with my username. So I'm going to tap on that, and here you can see the option of archive. So I have to tap on that. So this would actually hide our photos without deleting it. So I'm going to jump back to our profile, and here you can see here that we are not able to see the picture added in the archives. And now to see that picture, what we have to do, we have to tap on the icon that we have on the top right side, and here you can see the option of archive. So I have to tap on that, and here you will be able to see story archive. So I'm going to tap on that, and you can see we also have the post archive. Tap on it, and now you will be able to see the post that we have hidden in the archive. So if I wanted to unhide this, I would simply tap on these three dots again, and here you can see the option of show on profile. I would just simply tap on that, and again it will be unhided. It will be available on our Instagram profile. So this is how we can actually hide the photos in Instagram without deleting them. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.